So what happened?
So near as we could tell, we had a spark plug lead popped off on the distributor. That's what electrocuted me. I'm thinking maybe one of those plug wires and click on it and misfire. They're all on. I'm just gonna reset all this. But yeah, I fired this up yesterday when the chip came in. Just I didn't do anything else. Yeah. Put it in, fired it, and it was running, idling good. No codes.
Is this the Remedied ECU? Or is this the good ECU?
This is the one that was in the truck. It is it shows it's a Delco, but it says authorized remanufactured. This is the one that it was running on, so. I hate getting these things in there. It's such a tight squeeze. Well, it's in.
Okay, so what issue are we running into, and what are we trying to do at the moment?
So we have a check engine light that will not flash the code, which sometimes typically means there's a bad board in the ECU. So just process of elimination, we're going to try your other spare ECU, see if the check engine light goes away.
Awesome.
I find very strange. Alright, try that.
Why it's not starting. It's got a code for some reason, but I'm trying to figure out why it won't. $13.
It's 42.
42. I got it right here. $42 bypass or electric spark timing control.
ST signal did not change. And the ECU applied bypass voltage to the ignition line. What the fuck does that mean?
Got him. You alright?
Shot the shit out of me.
How did that feel?
Not great. Turned the distributor and it shocked me and
Shocked you?
killed the motor, yeah. Ow.
At least it's on video. So there's that.
It shouldn't have shocked you.
No, that's what I'm wondering what the fuck.
Yeah.
Like all I did was turn it. As soon as it moved. Boom!
Yeah, that hurts. I've done that before.
It makes you achy.
Yeah, it does. You feel it all the way up into your armpit.
It was only a little ways off, but I'm a little concerned about why it did that.
Right.
I'm trying to find the ECR pinouts. Trying to figure out what that black wire is coming out of there.
Well, it pinned up ground and the pin for ground that you can use is like D9 or an F14 that's the signal.
Yeah. It's not. B9's in the center pan, and that would be a top up, so I don't know what that bottom one is. 'Cause one
So what happened?
So near as we could tell, we had a spark plug lead popped off on the distributor. That's what electrocuted me. But no more check engine light. Everything's idling, running fine. I don't know how that got popped off or when it got popped off, because I ran this truck yesterday when the chip came in and it fired right up. I just let it idle for 20-30 minutes and shut it off, moved it over a little bit.
At least it's something simple.
You're dancing like 14, 13.8. You're probably good right there.
Were you taking fuel away from it or adding it?
Yeah, it's taking out. 8 is 0%. And every click down to 0 is -3%. And every click up to F is +3%. That's idling pretty smooth right there. Probably take another stab and set the timing. Yeah. Like that. Stay alive with them unplugged. It doesn't like running with the timing. Probably go and just put a little timing in it, and it'll probably help.
So which way do I have to turn?
Counterclockwise.
This way?
Yeah. Just turn a few degrees and it should be fine.
Alright. Let's try it.
We made it angry though and brought the check engine light back. Alright, try unplugging it. Let's just get it set so that we can just move on. It already went away anyway. So basically the way those work, it's set at 0 degrees right now. Okay. When you pull that brown wire, it locks the timing at 0 on the ECU. So then you just set the distributor to match based on your timing light. So once it's set at 0, plug the brown wire back in and it'll go back to unlocking the timing and does the sweep. And it will not idle very good on 0 degrees of timing. These idle somewhere around like 25 or 30. Plug it back in.
Okay, so where are we at, guys?
Well, right now we've got base timing is set. We've got it running idling. Fuel pressure is all set up. The next steps are basically set the throttle position sensor, set the idle air control motor. In order to do that, we need some way to monitor it. We picked up one of the Scanmaster G gauges, so we need to wire that into the truck so we can move on and do those steps.
Right on.
Turned a little. Might be the richest it reads or something. Ready? I don't know why it's so rough to start. Leaner than it'll read. Just turn it off. Okay, well we're getting there. Kinda, sorta.
Okay.
Alrighty, there we are. So air fuel reading. It's pegged lean right now, but should if we start this thing now. discrepancy between them, but nothing incredibly major. No check engine lights, it's idling. So now the next step will be to go in, set our IAC up so it's in the right place. Right now I think it's, we need to open the throttle blade a little bit. I think it's too close because it's showing a lot of IAC on here. Which if you scroll through here, 65%. That's supposed to be between 25 and 30. We're also probably a little bit cold right now. Yeah, we're a little cool. So we'll let that come up to temp and then we'll work on that.
Awesome. So it seems like it's running pretty good.
Yeah, we're running good now. Idle solid. Idling at good air fuel. It's idling about 850 RPM. Good coolant temp. It's actually at 750. Yeah, everything looks pretty good. Everything kind of worked.
Hallelujah.
Buzz around here, just a short test drive, and call it good if everything's all good.